Hi guys, and welcome to this Katherine Pierce from the Vampire Diaries Masquerade look. I love this look. I got this as a request and I don't know why I haven't done Katherine Pierce. I've done her hair before back in the day. If you guys are OG fans, you would know. So this is how the makeup looked, and I just put on a little dress. Kind of wanted to complete the look right now with some earrings. I have some earrings from this brand called Huge Tomato. And I have two pairs and I'm not sure which ones I want to use. So let's look at them. I have this cute bracelet right here that has a tomato on it. It's so cute. But I'm not going to wear it with this because it doesn't go with the look. But I do have two earrings. So I have these gorgeous gold ones right here. So I'm going to put them on just so you could see which ones I should wear with the look. These are really beautiful, amazing quality earrings. And I'm just going to put it right through. And they are just like clasps. They don't have any backings or anything. They just kind of clasp together. They're very regal, very dainty if you're not into super heavy jewelry. I really love these earrings. So these are the first earrings. I'm not sure which ones I like more. I'll show you the other ones right now. I absolutely love these. They make the look extra regal for Miss Katherine.
So here is a better close-up of these rings. They are 18K gold and are on sale for $19. Can you believe that? They're super beautiful and elegant, and I felt like you couldn't really get that clear of a view because my camera has just been terrible. I'm working on it, but here is a close-up of the earrings.
So the next pair of earrings I'm going to show you are some beautiful pearl earrings. I love these just because they're very fancy and they're like a decent size. So I also have these right here. These are gorgeous. If you have been following me on TikTok, you've seen that I've worn these already. I just love these. You can style it in any way. They'll match a lot of eras and they'll come in handy for that. Another little clasp right here. And we're going to just place these on too. I don't know, I think I like the pearls more. I'm not sure she was wearing pearls, but I feel like this makes the look really fancy. Oh my god, I love it. I don't know, I think I like the pearls. I'm gonna keep the pearls on for the video. I just feel like this makes the look very regal, very beautiful, and it goes really well with the whole masquerade look.
But honestly, guys, if you didn't really like the earrings I showed on this video, they have a variety of jewelry. They have necklaces, they have really beautiful big earrings that are not just your typical pearl. They have like ruby type style, sapphire jewelry, crystal diamond rings. Well, I don't know if they're real diamonds, but they're all on sale right now, and they have gorgeous rings, necklaces. I mean, it goes on, and you could really get lost on the site. So if you're really interested in type of unique jewelry, then I would suggest checking them out, and all the links will be down below.
In case you guys are interested in some cute, dainty jewelry to spice up your wardrobe, everything will be linked down below for Huge Tomato. So let's go ahead and step right into the makeup and hair.
To start this look off, I am going to take some primer. You always want to wear primer when you are doing any type of masquerade look, because when you put the mask on, who knows, your makeup could slip and slide. It could do all kinds of crazy things. Then I'm going to take my foundation. Katherine Nina Dobrev is pretty tan in the Vampire Diaries. I'm pale. I mean, it's the winter time and I don't really get my tan going. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to make my skin look naturally tanned, not overdo it or anything. And this foundation is like a shade darker than me, a little more toastier. So we'll run it down my neck and so forth. Of course, I'm going to conceal. I mean, Katherine's a vampire, but she had no dark circles. Am I right? So we're going to go ahead and get rid of all the darkness under our eyes and under our eyebrows and just blend that out nice and gently. I am using the excess foundation from my brush and just kind of patting everything in to place. So what I've been doing lately is instead of baking right away, I do my eyebrows. My eyebrows have been such a nightmare lately. I don't know how to get them even. Like, I have this really good like 2-week period every other month where my brows are the most perfect they've ever been in their life, and then something happens, like I just don't know how to maintain it. I do my best, I pluck, I do all the routine, but for whatever reason, something always goes wrong. So now I'm back in that awkward eyebrow stage. So I just have to take a lot of time on them, make them look as good as they possibly can, but I don't know. But she has really arched eyebrows, so that's why I was trying to go for that arched thin eyebrow look. Kind of gives her a sinister, like seductive type of vibe. So yeah, I'm going to bake under my eyes because we're going to do a very heavy makeup look. I'm going to take this vanilla eyeshadow and place it all over my lids. I do this no matter what look I do, just because I have darker eyelids and I kind of want to cover up those veins that I have on my lids. I just don't find that look appealing to me, so I'm going to go ahead and cover everything up and take this taupey gray color. With an eyelash curler, I'm going to create a cut crease. I'm horrible at cut creases without an eyelash curler, so I definitely need this. You do have to be careful though, because it could come out really thick. For this particular look, it didn't matter, but if I wanted a super clean cut, I'd have to take a super tiny brush just so it doesn't look too thick. Then I'm going to connect the outer wing like so, and then we're just going to build up from here. It's not super hard, but you do have to be careful. You can't rush it, and there's a lot of blending involved. So make sure that you take that taupe color and blend, because if you don't blend enough, it's going to look muddy and chalky, unless you have like the best eyeshadows in the world, which I mean a lot of us do these days. Then I'm taking that vanilla shadow, replacing it, and taking another darker brown and kind of doing the exact same thing. I'm using a card. This is an expired doctor's card, so I honestly don't care. This doctor sucks, so we'll use this to help blend my eyeshadow out, right? So let's go ahead and keep blending. We're creating that winged, that smoked out look, perfect for a masquerade. If you want to do any type of makeup for a masquerade, always do bold, dark. It just always stands out because you have a mask on and you know how it goes. So we're doing the same on the other eye. It just takes a lot of patience, a lot of practice, and making sure that you have a damp beauty blender in case you have any like problems. You can use tape. I like tape, but as I'm getting older, I try to stay away from things like that because my skin is more delicate. As you grow older, your skin is more delicate there. So using a card might actually be better for your skin in the eye area. But I see so many people use tape and it comes out way better. But like I said, I am nervous to put tape on my eye area. I know you can gently pull it off. I don't know, I'm just weird. So we're gonna go ahead and take that beige eyeshadow again, that whitish eyeshadow, kind of cover up in that area to make the cut crease stand out, and take that dark brown and run it underneath our lash line. This is gonna give us that smoldering, seductive, sexy look. Then we're taking a goldish champagne color and placing it in our inner corners of our eyes. And then I'm going to take another golden color and kind of place it over in this area. She had more of a matte look, but honestly I felt like it was so dull, so I wanted to do something on my own. It doesn't make that much of a difference, but the sparkle really makes this look way more gorgeous. So feel free to skip it, but I think it made the look way better. Then I'm taking a black eyeliner and creating a pretty thick cat wing. And I think I did really good on the first try, right? So we get super close to the lash area and do the same on the other eye. Practice makes perfect. I don't pull on my eyes. I've been doing this for a really long time. You will get it soon enough. Then I'm taking my black eyeliner. Unfortunately, I do have to pull here just very little because I can't get in there without slightly pulling down on my lid. But I barely ever wear bottom liner, so it is what it is. I'm taking some of these corner lashes because it didn't look like she had a full set on. If you noticed, Nina Dobrev's makeup in the Vampire Diaries the entire season, pretty much after season 2, it looked like she had either lash extensions or very mild corner lashes, and it gave her this really like dolly eye type of appearance. Then I'm taking a pink blush. It doesn't matter what color. I just thought pink looked nice. And we're gonna run this all over the cheeks. I have a problem with blush too. For whatever reason, there's like certain parts in my face that don't take makeup, and so I have like this circle. Is any of you guys in that same category? I feel like that's me. So I have to spend a lot of time on my blush. I mean, as you see, I'm going over and over. I'm taking a red lip liner here and then lining my lips. I am gonna go in with MAC Russian Red. This right here is Cherry by MAC. And I'm taking Russian Red because it's dark, but I feel like this is too Christmas red. So I went ahead and took Diva by MAC, and I actually no, this is Smoky Rouge by Lancome. I went over it, but I do go in with Diva. Yes, I knew I took Diva at one point. A lot of reds, if you just have a dark red lipstick, just do that. I guess I don't. So that's the makeup. Let's move on to the hair. Guys, I do apologize. I have so many layers and it's super hard to put extensions in. Like no matter what I do, I can take half of my hair and fold it under and it will still look choppy just because I have just recently gotten a 90s choppy haircut. So the extensions are a little wonky. I completely know. I'm aware. So let's just try to be nice. I at least wanted to show you guys how to get this hairstyle even though my hair isn't long. I wanted the illusion of long hair even though it looked kind of bad. So I do apologize for that, but there's nothing I can do. But anyways, like I said, I didn't wear this out at all. I did this and took it right off at home just to fake the illusion of longer hair. Now I'm just straightening out the areas, putting on a black lacy mask. This is the only one I have. But it gave the look, it gave Katherine Pierce for sure. And I genuinely loved this look. Got my strawberry going and we're about to go wreak havoc. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Okay guys, that is it for this Katherine Pierce makeup and hair tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I absolutely love it and it's a perfect like easy look to do if you are going to Masquerade, who knows. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this and all the links for Huge Tomato jewelry will be down below. Bye guys.